Hey, what's up? Robert here from robertsproductions.net. And if you're like me, when you first opened up Vegas Pro 17 or maybe even 16, you look at your track headers and you're trying to find the track motion icon. That is now located under this delicious little hamburger icon. And if you press that, you can see all of the buttons that used to be there. If we go to Edit Visible Button Set and select Show All, press OK. All of the buttons are now restored in the track headers for Vegas. So now this little hamburger icon only has the Edit Visible Button Set option. And that's all there is to it to restore those buttons. If you do want to actually restore the Vegas Pro 14 layout, you can do so by going to View, Window Layouts, and Vegas 14 Default. And when you click that, it should start looking a little bit more familiar as it does to me. And really the only difference that appears is that the trimmer window is separate from the video preview. So there's a simple quick tip here in Vegas Pro 17. Keep wanting to say Sony Vegas, but that is no longer the case. Hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.